Hello and welcome to Alcor Infotech. Today we are doing a demo of our product, the IP-based temperature and humidity monitoring system. This system monitors the ambient temperature and humidity of a given area, and you can set the upper limits and the lower limits for temperature and humidity. If these limits are breached, the system will send an SMS alert and an email alert to the registered mobile numbers and email addresses. It consists of hardware. Consists of a box which has the temperature and humidity sensors built in. It has 3 LED lights, one for power, one for network connection, and the third one, the bottom one, which shows if it glows if there's a problem. It has an LCD display which displays the temperature and humidity. The hardware box connects to a network computer where the software is installed. Now, the unique point for this product is that if you are monitoring the temperature and humidity at multiple locations in your facility, you can still monitor them from one single computer. So it has centralized monitoring. So the software shows you the temperature and humidity readings. In case the limits are breached, this temperature and humidity reading goes red. So it's like an alert. If somebody is watching, it shows that it's red and it's out of the limits. Here you can see that you can see the remote IP address. There is a refresh rate. Refresh rate means how often do you want to ping the system to get the readings. And you have to check this box, the log data box, and it will create it'll create a data log on the computer. And finally, you have the start and the stop buttons. I'm going to briefly take you through the setup menus to see how the system can be set up. So under the setup menu, we have TCP/IP setup, where you enter all your server name information like host name and TCP/IP port and so on. Second, we have the limit setup, where you can set the upper and lower limits for temperature and humidity. Now, the SMS gateway setup. The SMS alerts are sent using a SMS gateway. You have to sign up with a SMS gateway provider and avail of their service in order to send the SMS messages. So once you sign up with a provider, they will give you all these fields like API key, sender, user, etc. We recommend TextLocal as a gateway provider, but you can use any other service that you like. And finally, you can put in up to 5 mobile numbers to get SMS, and you can customize your alert message in this window. The next setup is the email setup. Again, you put in your email server name and up to 3 email addresses, and you can also customize your alert message. There's other setup like if you want to set your MAC address, if you want to set your RTC time, or if you want to update the RTC time, you can do that here. And finally, you can view the data log. Now, the data log is directly created on the computer, so there is no limit as to how much data can be logged. So if you go to help and view logs, you can see that the data log is created in a Excel file, and from here you can save the file, email it, print it, do whatever is required. So this is basically the demo for a temperature humidity monitoring system. If you have further questions, do get in touch with us, and you can get more info at www.alcorinfotech.com. I hope this was beneficial to you, and we hope to hear from you. Thank you.